What's up, guys? I just wanted to come on here and show you how I achieve this makeup look. This is my everyday makeup look within 15 minutes. I usually achieve this look in the car, like as I'm going, but I did it in the house so you guys could see everything that I am doing. I started out with, the MAKIAGE foundation. I'm not going to tell you everything that I used. If you have any questions about the products that I used, just leave a question in the comment box below and I'll definitely answer you. So right now I'm just going in with my concealer. If you know, I burned my under eye a few weeks ago, so that's my most area of concern, so I always ended up going with a concealer now. But yeah, this look is very basic, very natural, and it's super fast. I'm not going to talk too much because I find therapy in just watching people do their makeup. So yeah, this is just a quick 15-minute tutorial. I mean, not tutorial, just watch what I do, and it's limited amount of products. I didn't use a lot of brushes, I didn't use a lot of products, and you can achieve this look within 15 minutes just as well. Just watch what I do, and if you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment box, and I will see you guys in my next one. Talk to you then. And this is the finished look. See you guys in my next one.